Don't you just hate it? You go to look up a YouTube video and try to learn how to do something, and the people who made the video are afraid to talk. They may put writing on the screen so you have to read all the details. They they may just sit there and show you everything that you want to see and never say a word. Just point to things that they want you to know are famously popular or whatever, but they don't, I don't know, they don't talk to you, and I don't like that. I think if you're going to put up a video, you ought to be willing to let people hear you. Look at me. I sound like crap, look like crap, but at least I'm talking to you. I ain't got nothing to tell you how to do anything, so I got nothing to say, but I just thought you'd like to know that if you make videos, talk on the videos. It annoys the hell out of me when you don't. Goodbye.